Lord, your name higher. You are worthy of our praise. Yes, you are worthy, Lord.
Every Sunday, Grace filled the church with songs of praise. She and her husband, Daniel, dreamed of a beautiful future together. Their lives were filled with love, faith, and hope. One afternoon, everything changed. Grace returned home expecting to see her husband, but instead, she received heartbreaking news. Daniel had passed away unexpectedly. In a single moment, the joy in her heart was replaced with deep sorrow. Days turned into weeks. Grace stopped singing. She stopped smiling. Even walking into the church became too painful. The woman whose voice once inspired many now struggled to find hope. But even in her silence, God had not forgotten her. Just when Grace felt completely alone, her friend Esther came to visit. She didn't judge Grace or rush her healing. She simply stayed with her, prayed with her, and reminded her that God was still close to the brokenhearted. The following Sunday, Esther invited Grace back to church. It wasn't easy, but Grace found the courage to return. As she prayed, her heart slowly began to heal. She realized that although she had lost someone she loved, God had never left her. For the first time since losing Daniel, Grace sang again. Every word of praise came from a heart that had known deep pain, but had found hope once more. Her song reminded everyone that even in sorrow, God can bring healing.
Thank you so much. God has been
Grace
so
stood
good
before
to
the
me.
church and shared her
God bless
journey.
you all.
She spoke about her pain, her grief, and the hope she
Thank
found
you
in
so
God.
much.
Her
God has been
testimony
so good to
encouraged
me.
everyone listening
God
to keep
bless you
believing, even in life's darkest moments. The pain Grace once carried became a
Watch
source
me.
of comfort for others. She began encouraging people who were grieving, reminding them that healing takes time and that God walks with
Watch
us
me.
through every season. Her story became a light for those who had almost given up. Grace discovered that her greatest pain had become part of her greatest purpose. She continued to sing, encourage the brokenhearted, and remind everyone that no matter how dark life becomes, hope can rise again through God's love. Grace's sorrow did not disappear overnight, but she discovered that God could bring hope even in the deepest grief. Her voice, once silenced by pain, became a source of comfort to many. Wherever Grace sang, people were reminded that no matter how dark life may seem, God can bring healing, restore hope, and give every broken heart a new song. If this story touched your heart, please like, comment, share, and follow the prayer room for more inspiring stories.